Hello everyone, welcome to Harjeet's World and my name is Harjeet and today I'm going to talk about Qatar Airways interview process and cabin crew video interview questions. And you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Harjeet Dreams. So let's start with the video. First of all, I want to congratulate everyone who received the email for the interview. So the first email which you have received is regarding your photograph and they have already mentioned what specifications they are looking after. Please follow their instructions and I'm going to highlight few points. The first point is about the business attire, that please take a picture in a business attire, and they have mentioned smart casual. But still I will suggest you to wear formals only, and females can wear a dress which should be knee length. Please make sure even if you're wearing a skirt that should be knee length. And don't forget to polish your shoes when you go for the picture. For females, your hair should be neatly tied, and for males, you should be clean shaved. So the photograph should be submitted within 48 hours and you need a passport size and a full length photograph. So the next email which you have received is regarding their video interview. So in the email, they have mentioned three things. The first is your location. The second is time and the date. The first is your location, for which location you have applied, and the second is the date, like the last date to submit and the time as well. So many of you are confused that when you have to give the interview. So you can give interview anytime, whenever you want, but before the last date, maybe it's a 16th November or 14th November, whatever they have mentioned the date in your email. So the first thing which you need to do is you have to download the Sonru application, which you can do it on your phone or laptop or wherever you're giving the interview. And they have mentioned that the interview process will take approximately 30 minutes from the time you set up your Sonru application. So once you download the application, you need to log in. For the login, you need your email address and your password. And password is given in your email, which you have received from Qatar Airways. So once you log in, you will get practice questions. They have mentioned that you will get some practice questions, so you can do practice before giving your actual interview. So once you have downloaded the application, make sure that your internet speed is good and there's nobody around you when you are planning to give the interview. And you are in a quiet place. So I want to highlight few points regarding Sonru application. Once you start your interview, you cannot leave it in between. And once you are interrupted, it will be noticed by the recruiter. So make sure once you start the interview, there is no disturbance, you are in a quiet place and the internet speed is good enough. So let's talk about the video interview questions. So there are two questions for which you will get 6 minutes. So let's talk about the video interview questions. So there are going to be two questions, and for each question you will get approximately 3 minutes. So total time you will get is 6 minutes. For two questions you will get 6 minutes. And I believe that for one question you will get 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to answer. Before I tell you the questions, I want to tell you that please be confident. It doesn't matter what is the answer. The most important thing which matters is your confidence. How confident you are while giving your interview. Before giving an interview, please practice. You can practice over your phone or in front of a mirror how you are going to answer so that you get more confidence. So keep practicing till you are not confident to give the interview. So when you are giving the interview, be confident. Don't think about anything else. Just concentrate. Just check the question, what question is coming in front of you, and just answer. Whatever comes in your mind, the first thing, you can say that. But be confident. The confidence is the key to get through this interview. Now I'm going to give you some examples of the questions which can come in your video interview. They may come or it can be similar questions for your video interview. So let's start with the first question. What are the qualities do you have which is different from other candidates? Second question can be add comments. Add comments is just a simple question which you can answer anything, whatever you think is the right answer. So you can talk about Qatar Airways or you can talk about yourself. So they have not mentioned anything regarding this. So you can answer whatever you think is the right answer. Next question can be introduce yourself. Next question can be, why do you want to join Qatar Airways? Biggest challenge you have ever faced? Tell me something which is not in your resume. What attracts you about the role of cabin crew? The last can be, why you want to be a cabin crew. Once again, congratulations, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.